founder and president of the Montreal-based NGO iMigrant. We're here today with CFCC and Siemens Energy at the IT workshop in Montreal with the purpose of refurbishing the laptops that will get a new life today.
I'm here with my friends, Roman and Vitaly, and we're happy to participate.
Hello, my name is Philip Schaus. I'm the president and founder of Corporations for Community Connections. We're a registered charity, and our mission is to gift technology in support of education. We're here today continuing our partnership with Siemens Energy in the repurposing of these laptops for distribution to worthy causes. Today, we're continuing that in partnership with Immigrants, a charity based here in Montreal that has been very active these last few years in supporting Ukrainians that have been displaced by the war.
Hi, my name is Julian Nadin. I'm the head of IT for Siemens Energy in Canada, and we're very proud to be hosting another laptop refurbishment workshop and donating computers to communities in need.
Якщо щось ламається, тут на цю адресу пишіть 6 місяців безкоштовно.
є такі організації, такі люди, які можуть допомогти на перший час. Так. Ну, і
Вам
дякую.
пощастило.
До побачення.